and welcome to the Djembe John YouTube channel. I started this channel as a way of supporting the drum workshops that I was doing, and I started doing the drum workshops so I had a group of people that I could drum along with. Djembes are best when they're played in a group, and that group can be online. So the way to use this channel, first of all, I would suggest you get earphones, really good quality earphones or headphones, because that will enable you to hear clearly what is going on while you're playing your own drum. There is a section, and I'd suggest you go to that first if you've not done this before, that is called Basic Technique, because there are a number of basic sounds that you can make with the drum: bass, tone, slap and flam, but more about that on the basic technique section. For the rest of it, these rhythms have been created by a guy called Pete Scott. Most of the rhythms have been created by a guy called Pete Scott, so thank you, Pete, for doing that. They consist of 3 or 4 parts which are layered on top of each other, so they're all designed to play along with each other. The way I suggest you do this is to select a rhythm, and I suggest Mbaba as a good one to start with. Practice the basic pattern, and then have a go with the play along, the Mbaba play along. You keep doing the basic pattern, and you can play along with Jenny, my wife, and myself, and that will just enable you to get used to drumming with others. You will find that you sometimes have got it and sometimes you haven't. That's absolutely fine, because it happens to absolutely everyone, and as you keep practicing, you'll find it becomes more and more instinctive. Once you've got the basic pattern, try another one and play along with that. That's about it, really. The main thing is to enjoy yourself, and as I will demonstrate in the basic technique, it's really important that your posture and your breathing and your technique is good. That will minimize any chance of pulling a muscle somewhere or something like that. So have a good time, and thank you for clicking on this channel.